we have a very
Very.
Very?
Very.
big problem that is plaguing the Malaysian legal system. As you all know, there is two types of legal systems in Malaysia, the civil court system and the Sharia court system. Under Article 1211A, the Sharia courts have been given exclusive jurisdiction. And thus, this comes our problem. In principle, everything is fine and dandy because the Sharia court system and the civil court system will each have their own jurisdictions over certain matters and they won't overlap. But that's in a perfect world. Do we live in a perfect world? No, we don't. There is bound to be overlaps, especially in terms of marriage, custody, and divorce. Here is an example.
This is Mr. Smurf. And this is Miss Monkey.
Let's get married.
Mr. Smurf and Miss Monkey, both who are non-Muslim, get married under LRA. LRA is applicable only to non-Muslim.
I wanna divorce.
If they divorce, they can both petition for divorce in civil court. However, if say Mr. Smurf convert to Islam, Mr. Smurf would be subjected to Sharia court system. If they want divorce, Miss Monkey is the only party that can petition for divorce in civil court. Under LRA Section 51, only non-Muslim party can petition for divorce. If Mr. Smurf wants to divorce, he cannot petition for divorce because he is a Muslim. This can lead to a problem. Which law applies to the dissolution of the marriage?
That question, at least partially, can be answered, as in the case of Subhashini versus Saravanan, as well as the most recent case of Indira Gandhi. Because in those two cases, the decision that was reaffirmed was that the civil courts still have jurisdiction over the converted party in matters of custody, even though the person has already converted and is supposed to be under Sharia court jurisdiction.
The thing is, the drafters of the Law Reform Act puts this provision that only non-Muslim party can initiate divorce petition when the other party has converted to Islam, because in their findings, historically, almost always the husband has been the person to convert to escape obligation marriage. The principle involved is that the innocent non-Muslim spouse are to decide on the sincerity of the conversion.
Our Attorney General, Tan Sri Abdul Ghani Patel, former former Attorney General Tan Sri Abdul Ghani Patel has tried many ways to resolve this issue, but he did try to help this out by having dialogue between non-Muslim NGOs and Muslim NGOs to come into the most effective way to solve this problem of jurisdiction. Oh well, that's about it. I'm kinda hungry now. Gonna eat some chicken.